back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to paint this beautiful cherry blossom painting, and it's really nice and it makes you feel really relaxed, and it's really simple and easy to do. So let's get started. So what you will need is some red paint, a cotton bud folded in half, some pink paint, a brown crayon, but I'm using an oil pastel, and a pencil and a paper. So let's get started. So now we are going to draw a tree, and we're going to start off by drawing a main branch for our tree. So now we have drawn the main branch, now we are going to draw some branches coming out of the main branch. And now we are going to draw some twigs coming out of the branches. And now we have drawn our tree figure. Now we're going to move on to the next step. So now we have finished drawing all of our branches. We can now colour in the tree with our brown crayon. So now we have finished colouring in the tree. Let's move on to the next stage. So now we are going to use our cotton bud and paint flowers onto our tree, like this. So we're going to take our cotton bud and put it inside our paint, and then press it down onto our page. So now, as we have finished doing all of our flowers, we are going to move on to the next stage. So now, as we finished making our flowers, we are going to take some red paint and make some dots in the middle of each petal, like this. So now we have finished our cherry blossom painting, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. And I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that your cherry blossom paintings look really nice, and I will see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.